Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civil Construction Materials Testing. Today is our topic is specific gravity and water absorption of sand. In the sand test, we are having this topic today. The aim is to determine the specific gravity and water absorption of the sand. We are going to use this code IS 2386 part 3, and we have an apparatus flask having volume 500 cc, this one, and weight balance tray and 4.75 mm sieve etc, whichever is required. Now, procedure: first we take the sample, put it in a oven for 24 hours. We take back the samples and we sieve that with 4.75 mm sieve. Now we take the past samples, and now we have this flask. We are going to take this. We are going to make this one dry and clean. We are going to take the this flask bed with the cap, and after that, that one will be our the W1. Now we fill the flask with the samples, 1/3 of the sand sample in the flask, and this one will be our W2. And after that we will fill the water up to the top and place the cap. We take the weight, that will be our W3, and after that we are going to take it out all the samples and we fill the water in this flask and place the cap, and we are going to take the W4, take the weight for W4. And now we have a calculation formula: specific gravity, W2 minus W1 divided W4 minus W1 minus W3 minus W1. We have a table here. Volume of the flask, that is our 500 cc. Weight of the flask W1 in gram. We are going to take the same weight of the W1 here and weight of the W2 here, W3, W4, and we are going to take the specific gravity for both the trials, and we are going to take the average. The specification according to the IS 2386 part 3. This is our specific gravity. Now we will see the practical, how we are going to do, and the specification is 2.6. The specification is 2.65 to 2.67. In between we have to measure the specific gravity. Now we have a flask here, 4.75 sieve and sand sample. Now we are going to sieve the samples. Now we have a sand sample, oven dried sand sample. We place it in this sample 24 hours in an oven. We take it out, we sieve it, and now the sample is ready. So we are going to take the weight of flask. Now we have the weight of flask 201.8 gram. Now we have a flask and sand sample. The weight is 338.6. Now we are going to fill the water up to the top. Now we fill the water up to the top and we mix it with a glass rod, and the weight is 8072. We fill the flask with the water, that is W4. Is our W4 721.8. Now we get all the data. Now we will do water absorption, and I will show you in a Excel format. And also one more thing, there is another test for the sand for same specific gravity by using pycnometer. That one also I will teach you how to do that by using pycnometer. Now for the specific gravity, this is our format, specific gravity code, and you need to mention the project contract ID, contractor name, testing reference, test number, test date, quantity, and this is our format. Also we need to mention the temperature also, the laboratory temperature. Now we have a flask volume 500, then we to get the weight 201.80 and 3 weight of flask plus dry sand 338.60. Accordingly we place all the data here and we will get the specific gravity 2.661. Now the specific gravity is according to our specification. We can use this in our project. Similarly, we have to fix the consultant, contractor and client also if required. Now for the water absorption, same sample for overnight sample, we take it and place it in a water for 24 hours and take it back. We make that sample for saturated surface dried sample, SSD sample, and we take the weight. That one will be our W1, and then that same sample we are going to place it in oven for 24 hours and we take it out and take the weight for that sample. That will allow our W2. And for the water absorption the formula calculation is W1 minus W2 divided by W2 into 100. This one is our formula. The specification is same specification, less than 2% is our specification. Now this is the table. First serial number we have details, unit, trial 1, trial 2, remarks. If you want, you can make it trial 3 and take the average. This one is weight of SSD sample W1, weight of oven dried sample W2, and then water absorption W1 minus W2 divided by W2 into 100. We get the water absorption and we make it in average. That means if the water absorption is less than 2, that meets our criteria specification, that one is passed. Now we are going to conduct that test in our laboratory and I will show you the result, and I will also show you the format, how you are going to make the sample formats, and I will make the formula also in Excel file and I will upload it. Thanks for the watching. Thanks so much. For water absorption, we need a oven dried sample. Put it in a water for 24 hours to get a SSD sample. Now we are going to put the water in this and we'll see you tomorrow. Now we take it out for after 24 hours and now we make this dried SSD sample. Now this is our surface saturated surface dried sample. How we know about this is surface saturated surface dried sample? See, when you grab this sample and you release, the fully sand have to distribute. Now the weight is 544 gram. Now we'll see the calculation. Water absorption of sand test, code book, all the same thing, and we to get the saturated surface dried sample SSD sample here and dry oven dried sample here. Now we have we set the formula in this and we'll get the water absorption of the sand 0.84. The specification is less than 2, so this is okay. Thank you so much.